of course, there are exceptions. So the first one is about feminine nouns. We write only letter E in the genitive case feminine after letters K, G, Sh, Zh. The noun собака, a dog, it is feminine because you can see that it ends in the letter R, but we don't change the letter R into letter U like we did with the noun lampa, lampы. We change R into E because there is the consonant K. Собака, собаки. Or, for example, the noun дорога, road. It also ends in the vowel R, but we don't change it into E, like with the word lampa, lampы. We change it into E because there is the consonant G. Дорога, дороги.